Hi everyone, and welcome to today's home live streaming. My name is Noemi Simon and I'm a sales agent at Lucas Fox. Today we will be showing you a beautiful property in the area of Turo Park. But before we get started, I would like to remind you that you can ask any questions you like using the live chat and we'll be answering them in real time. Let me check if everyone is ready to begin. First of all, perfect. It looks like it. So let's get started. First of all, I'd like to highlight some of the key aspects about the property, and then we'll be going into more detail and showing you each of the different spaces so you get a better perspective and understanding about the layout of the apartment. First of all, I'd like to talk a little bit about the privileged location we're in. We are in the Turo Park area, which is a great residential area. It's very close by Turo Park, which is a beautiful green area here in the city, and we have great connection with public transportation to other parts of the city, as well as a number of different services like excellent bars and restaurants, beautiful boutiques scattered all over the neighborhood, and also very good connection with prestigious international schools. So overall, it's a perfect place to live in if you're looking for a first or a second residence. Now let's talk a little bit about the apartment and the building. This apartment is on the third floor of a building which is equipped with an elevator, and it also has concierge service. So overall, it's very practical. The apartment is 90 square meters and it's composed of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a beautiful day area which is composed of this nice living and dining space, plus an independent kitchen which is fully equipped, and the beautiful 13 square meter terrace. Now let's get started with the video tour, and the first thing I'd like to show you is this beautiful dining area and living room space. As you can see, the living room is on this half of the room. We have a beautiful sofa with the TV, the surround system, and a chimney. The chimney is fully operational, and as you can see, we have big windows on either side of the room which allow plenty of natural light to come in. Some of the pieces of furniture was specifically designed when the apartment was being renovated, as for example this table right here, which was custom built using the exact materials that would go with the rest of the color palette. As you can see, the wood colors combine really well with the colors of the furniture, and this area right here is very pleasing because we have the depth created by the open doors. Of course, these doors can close so we can have more privacy in the master suite, or we can keep them open to obtain this wow effect. As you can see over here, we have LED lighting fixtures as well, which of course make the space more intriguing and welcoming. And we also have natural wooden flooring, which make for the perfect cozy home. Now we're going to show you the main entrance hallway, because we have custom built closets here as well. They go from side to side of the hall, so we have plenty of storage room for coats and personal belongings whenever we have guests coming over, or even our own personal belongings to keep them organized and out of the way. And as you can see, we have the door to the kitchen right here. One thing I'd like to mention is that the wood that you see in that panel over there, over here, and on the doors is natural walnut wood. It's solid and it's really high quality. The appliances in the kitchen are also super high quality because the best materials were used during the renovation of this apartment. Right here, very well integrated into the kitchen's design, is the refrigerator on the top and the freezer at the bottom. We also have a wine fridge, and over here we have extra cabinets all over, so it's a very functional kitchen with plenty of storage space. Over here is the dishwasher by the brand Siemens, and over here we have a double sink. This is the cooking space, and we have an induction hub by the brand Neff. This is one of the highest quality appliances in the market. The oven is by the brand Neff as well, and the gas extractor is also very well integrated into the kitchen's design. As you can see, some of the cabinets are made of natural wood and some of the cabinets are lacquered. Now we are going to access the night area, which is on the left hand side. We have 2 bedrooms, and one of them is actually ideal to be used as a guest bedroom because it has its own ensuite bathroom. It's very cozy. The bed is 120 for those of you who are wondering. We also have radiators all over the apartment because it's equipped with heating system by gas, and also air conditioning and heating system via air ducts. Over here is the bathroom. As you can see, we have a toilet, the towel heater, and the shower. Everything is made by marble. We have black marble all over. The carpentry of this gliding doors is also super high quality, as well as the fittings and the taps. If we continue over here, I would like to mention the fact that we can separate the master bedroom by closing these ones as well, or keep them open, and that this door right here can be shut so that we can separate the night area from the day area. And right here is the master suite walk-in closet. As you can see, we have closets on either side of the hallway as well as over here. And this is the ensuite bathroom. Once again, exquisite taste. We have the black marble, the beautiful fittings and taps. And over here is the shower. And on the left hand side, we have the toilet. This is great for more privacy, and also because if we're not using the shower, we can easily close these doors and it looks a lot more tidy. As I was telling you earlier, some of the cupboards and cabinets in the kitchen were lacquered. This custom-built closets are lacquered as well. The lacquer is super high quality, and as you can see, this custom-built closet makes the most of the space to generate as much storage room as possible. And at the end of the hallway, we arrive into the master bedroom. As you can see, it's very spacious, very bright. We have a window facing the street. It's actually connected somehow with the same views that we have from the terrace. And this desk right here was custom built, as well as the headboard, which is made of the same solid natural walnut wood. And as you can see, it combines really well with the different accents, features all over, made of wood. And as I told you earlier, we can leave this open, or we can use the gliding doors in order to separate the two spaces, night area from day area. And now, the cherry on the top, we're going to show you the best part of the apartment, in my opinion, which is the terrace. Follow me. And this is the perfect size terrace. It's 13 square meters, and as you can see, it fits comfortably the table and a couple of chairs. Beautiful plants all over, and we also have a sofa at the very end. It's a very, very sunny terrace. From 2 p.m. or so, the sunlight comes directly from that direction, so we can use this over here to control the amount of natural light that comes in, especially in the summer months. Now we are approaching the end of the home live streaming, And I would like to summarize some of the key aspects mentioned so far, and we will also give you the chance to see everything a second time around in more detail. So if you want to ask any questions, now it's the perfect time to do so. Remember that the location is unbeatable. We're in one of the most sought after areas in Barcelona, the area of Turo Park. There are all sorts of services in the area, like bars, restaurants, international schools, leisure activity options, and we're just a 5-minute walk from the park, so it's very well connected by public transportation, and also if we're using our own private car. And the apartment, as I mentioned, is on the 3rd floor of a building which is equipped with an elevator, and it also has concierge service. The apartment is 90 square meters, and it's composed of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the beautiful day area, which is composed of the dining room and a living room, as well as an independent kitchen, which is fully equipped, plus this unbeatable outdoor space, which is incredible to use all year round since the weather in Barcelona is beautiful. Now we're going to give you the chance to go back inside and see everything a second time around. So if you have any doubts, please make sure to send your doubts on the live chat, and I'll be answering to your questions in real time. Great, so it looks like we're approaching the end of the home live streaming, but before I let you go, I would like to reveal the selling price. This beautiful 90 square meter apartment with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in the heart of Turo Park is for sale at 910,000 euros, which, if you ask me, considering the quality of the materials used during the renovation and how functional the space is, it's a great opportunity for those of you looking for a first or a second residence. So if you have any questions at this point, I suggest you send us an email at info.lf@lucasfox.com. And if you'd like to visit any of our other properties or request another home live streaming, please visit our website at www.lucasfox.com. It was my pleasure showing you around this beautiful apartment today, and I hope to see you again very soon. Have a nice day.